This is the baler designed and built for producers with low horsepower tractors. Producers who want the freedom and convenience of rolling their own bales on their own time. This is the one with an easy-to-operate hitch-and-go design, the one that gives you the balance of simplicity, convenience, and long-term reliability in a value-priced design. Ideally suited for the thousands of livestock producers and hobby farmers working on acreages. The baler that has more than 7 years of proven performance under its belts. It's one of the most popular balers ever built at Vermeer. In fact, many of you told us not to change it, and many of you still claim it's the best baler you've ever owned. So why in the world would Vermeer want to change it now? Because the fact is, effective immediately, there's a better Rebel in the field today, built by Vermeer. Meet the new and improved Vermeer 5410 Rebel Baler. This is the one that offers you even more big baler features with Rebel style. Take NetWrap for example. Why wait up to 60 seconds to wrap a bale with twine when you can NetWrap it in less than 10? Now all it takes is 2 revolutions to knock out neat, clean, square-shouldered bales faster and better than ever before. The new 5410 Rebel NetWrap option helps reduce the amount of time you spend in a field, not to mention the potential savings in fuel and equipment repair. And the best part is, at the end of the day, the bales look better. They're easy to handle, and you experience less hay loss when you're baling, hauling, or storing. Why is it improved? This is the system that takes a lot of the guesswork and hassles out of the net wrapping process, because it's designed with an easy, reliable direct feed system, one that eliminates the need for the rubber feed rollers and feed belts that are required on many other balers. That's right, more reliable, because it's a direct feed process. Another big Rebel baler improvement, drop and go baling. Now there's no need to disengage and re-engage the PTO every time you stop to finish a bale. You just drop and go. That means you eliminate the hassle of disengaging every time you eject a bale, you reduce a lot of stress on your tractor, and you're ready to roll as soon as the bale chamber closes. It's that simple. With the split tailgate design, you get quick, dependable bale ejection. And just to make sure, you can also add a rugged, spring-loaded bale ramp option. Plus, the 5410 still has all the features that made the original Rebel baler the most popular, cost-effective machine in its class. You're rolling and wrapping 4-foot wide by 5-foot diameter bales weighing up to 1,000 pounds with just a minimum 40 horsepower tractor, even in heavy windrows. You get solid, tightly packed bales formed with the Vermeer exclusive true bottom drum design. And it's easy to operate and adjust. For example, look how easy it is to change density settings with this simple hydraulic control knob. And it's easy to access because it's located right there on the side of the baler. Also, to make sure the corners of your bale are filled better, you can add the best hay saver wheels in the industry. Choose between 2 different Tine controllers. The manual electric controller gives you the basics to operate both the twine tie and net wrapping systems without needing a bale monitor. But if you choose the AccuBale Select monitor, it makes bale settings easy and automatic. Select the bale size and twine tie or net wrap settings you want, and you are ready to roll. The AccuBale Select monitor also displays overfill protection, manual override, and tracks your bale count. The Vermeer 5410 Rebel Baler, now with new big baler features, still with Rebel style. From the people who first introduced big round baling almost 40 years ago, Vermeer.